So first 5 properties we can see, and with this, one example. So first one, linearity property. So linearity property indicate sum of Laplace of sum of two function, inverse Laplace of sum of two function is equal to individual Laplaces of sum while taking constant outside. So here one example, we need to find L inverse of 1 by s minus 4 plus 3 by s plus s by s square plus 4. By the linearity property, we need to take separate Laplaces of while taking constant term outside. So L inverse of 1 by s minus 4 plus 3 outside, L inverse of 1 by s plus L inverse of s by s square plus 4. So already we know here 1 by s minus a format. So simply opposite, e power 4t. 1 by s is nothing but Laplace sum of 1. So for that 3 into 1, and numerator s is there means cos. Here a square term is 4, so a is equal to 2. So cos 2t. So next property, first shifting property. Suppose in the given function f of s minus a is there means simply here we are consider that s is shifted to s minus a. For that we need to, instead of this minus a, we need to take e power at outside. While eliminate this minus a, we have f of s. So that is L inverse of s minus a. Just opposite sign. You have to remember just opposite sign. Here s plus a is there means e power minus at into L inverse of f of s. We have give two examples for each cases. So L inverse of 3 by s plus 5 the whole square. So here s is shifted to s plus 5. So the term is e power minus 5t. While removing this plus 5, we have 3 by s squared. So again take 3 outside. So L inverse of 1 by s squared. Already we know Laplace sum of t is 1 by s squared. So here L inverse of 1 by s squared is t. Answer is 3t e power minus 5t. So example 2, L inverse of 1 by s squared s minus 2 the whole square plus 9. Here s is shifted to s minus 2. For that shifting term is e power 2t. L inverse of 1 by, while removing this minus 2, s squared plus 9. So 9 can be written as 3 square. So in the numerator we need either s term or constant term. Here there is no s term. So for that we need to have constant term. So constant term is 3. So for that we have to multiply and divide by 3. Multiply and divide by 3. So now L inverse of 3 by s square plus 3 square is nothing but sine 3t. This is the final answer. Next, third property. Third property, second shifting property, L inverse of e power minus a into f of s is equal to. So first we need to simply take inverse of f of s. Then in that t is replaced by t minus a. T is a positive value. T is greater than a. So here one example, L inverse of e power minus 2s tan inverse of s plus 1. So here, so this is shifting term. So here instead of a we got 2. So for that t is replaced by t minus 2. So first we need to find inverse for this particular function, tan inverse of s plus a. So now for solving this, we take this tan inverse of s plus 1 as g of s. G of s equal to tan inverse s plus 1. So direct formula is not applicable for inverse trigonometry functions. So for that first we need to find derivative. Derivative of this is 1 by 1 plus s plus 1 the whole square. So now find the inverse for this derivative. So for this derivative, here s is replaced by s minus 1 for the shifting term e power minus t. So then remove this plus 1, 1 by 1 squared plus s squared is nothing but sin t. So by the property, one of the properties is equal to 1 by a L inverse of f of s in that t is replaced by t by n. This is only directly asked in the question. So here, if L inverse of s squared minus 1 divided by s squared plus 1 the whole squared is equal to t cos t, then find L inverse of 9s squared divided by 9s squared plus 1 the whole square. So I can write the given function as 3s the whole squared minus 1 divided by 3s the whole squared plus 1 the whole square. So here, instead of a, here we have 3. So for that, by using this property 1 by 3 L inverse of, remove all the 3 value. So for that, s squared minus 1 divided by s squared plus 1 the whole square. In that, from the property t is replaced by t by 3. So for this already we know the answer is given t cos t. So in t cos t we need to replace t by 3. So the answer is t by 3 cos t by 3, multiply this to t by 9 cos t by 3. Next property, differentiation property. L inverse of s into f of s is equal to d by dt of L inverse of f of s. So given function is f into f of s format. First we need to find L inverse of f of s. So instead of this s, we need to differentiate the answer with respect to t. So here we need to find L inverse of s by s plus 3 the whole square plus 16. So here numerator s is there, instead of this s put t by dt. So for the remaining value 1 by s plus 3 the whole square plus 16, we need to take inverse. So while taking inverse for this, here s is replaced by s plus 3. So e power minus 3t L inverse of 1 by s squared plus 4. By removing this 3, we get s squared plus 4. In the numerator, we need to have s or a. So here s is not there. For that, we need to have a. So here a value is 4. So for that, we need to multiply and divide by 4. Multiply by 4 and divide by 4. So L inverse of t by s squared plus 4 is sin 4t. So next we need to differentiate this term with respect to t. While taking 1 by 4 outside, differentiation of uv is nothing but uv dash plus v u dash. So e power 3t into differentiation of sin is cos, here cos 4t into 4, then sin 4t, as it is, take differentiating e power 3t into minus 3. While taking minus 3 outside, here already we have plus only, this is plus. So for that, in that answer we have here minus. So multiply 1 by 4 inside, we get minus here, and here 3 by 4. Multiplying, we get the final answer. Next video will be on continuation of inverse Laplace transform properties. Thank you.